Hi guys, wish you a very good evening. I hope you all are doing amazing in your life. As you can see, I just wake up, so I think I should make a video for the day. So today the topic which I choose is the music versus exercise, which is more important. And so in if I because guys, if you see, music has its own role. Some music, like religious music, some bhajans and all, they make you more calm, they make you more uh, they give you a sort of inner peace, they make you mentally feel nice. So they are good for your mental health, so that you feel you feel nice, you feel amazing, you feel comfortable. And the exercise is good for your body, that is you can say, it makes you healthy so that you can work physically to earn money and to be do all other physical tasks. So these are two aspects, these are two aspects. So as the exercise are important for physical well-beings, I think the songs, the music, or meditation, you can say, is very important for the soul. So I think we all should do meditation, we all should do listen some good music, we should appreciate music. And because music connect with us, you can say sometimes if your heart is broken, you can appreciate that type of music. If you are feeling low, you can listen that type of music. And when you appreciate such music, you feel amazing. So guys, in my personal views, songs are a important part of my life, and they they are a motivating factor to me, obviously. And I'm a romantic person, so I more appreciate the songs too. So uh, now the question arises that what sort of songs we should appreciate, we should listen more. If I give my personal suggestions, we should listen more smooth songs, like religious songs. We should listen more. And the local songs, if you are Garwali, you should listen more Garwali songs and more religious songs. It is it is scientifically proved that when we listen such music which connect us, it gives us a positive vibes, it gives us a connectivity to our roots. And the exercise also, now you can say the small kids are playing indoor games, they are not going for playing outdoor sports. So this type of thing makes us more uh, more towards, मतलब कह सकते हैं कि हम लोग अपने में ही खोए रहते हैं, इंग्लिश याद नहीं आ रही मुझे. So I think you guys will give importance to both, to music and to music, and also to exercise, so that you can feel good, you can feel healthy, and you can perform your duties and your tasks. And I hope you will also listen some good music, so that you feel amazing. You And when you feel amazing, you transfer a positive vibes, you transfer a good vibes to others. And that's why you make a amazing surroundings. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you like this discussion. If you like, subscribe my channel. Wish you a very happy evening, and God bless all of us. Thank you very much, guys.
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके